One thing I think is important to note about RedSwan is that we are a full service provider. It's not, we just don't provide technology and ask the sponsor to do it themselves. We actually walk the sponsor through the full process. We create the token on our token studio. This is when we mint the token and use and issue a ticker symbol that our client is interested in and is available. We also issue those security tokens into the sponsor's wallet. We never hold on to assets because we don't have a custodian license, but we put the assets into our sponsor's wallet, and now our sponsor is able to move those assets from investors who are trying to buy to the investor wallet, which is self-custody. So we provide the issuance, we provide the cap table management, which means that any corporate communications, dividend distributions, or stock splits, whatever communication is going to the investor, RedSwan handles on behalf of the sponsor so that the sponsor doesn't have to do business with 2,000 investors. It might be a little bit uncomfortable. And then finally, the ATS, which is what provides the liquidity for investors. So when you buy shares and you want to sell it, you now call us or let us know electronically. We move your shares to an ATS. That's now given visibility to 10,000 people, which is going to continue to grow even more, to be able to see what you're offering and come up with a counter offer. That's how you get liquidity on security tokens.